Hi, this is Jason from Satlantis. In this video, I will show you how you can claim your business on Satlantis' merchant map, so you can post content through your business account and expand your customer base to a global audience. Alright, let's go. Start by logging into Satlantis and navigating to your city's merchant map. You can use your personal account for now, or create a dedicated account for your business. It's up to you, but later you will have the opportunity to either create a new account for your business or link your business's location to your current account. Here, I have logged into the account for Divine Design Natural Health, located in Cleveland, Tennessee, and opened the map on Cleveland's page. Clicking here to open the side panel shows the list of businesses featured on Satlantis. Divine Design is here at the top, so I select it and click on View Location. This opens the business's page, which is not yet connected to this account. After clicking on Claim, I'm presented with the option I mentioned earlier. I can continue to claim this business through the account I'm already logged into, or I can create a new account for my business. This account for Divine Design was created previously, so I will select Continue, which will bring me here. I need to copy this text and save this image to use as I verify this account. As you go through this process, you'll need to be logged into your business's Google account, where you will post the text you just copied, along with the image you just saved. Once I've done that, I'll share the link to it here on this screen. So let's go to a different tab, where I've searched for Divine Design through its admin account, scroll down, and click on Add Update. Doing so opens up this window, where I upload the Satlantis image I just saved, and paste the text I just copied in the description here. Then I click Post. The update is pending review, so I click Done. Now, I need to share the link to that Google post here on Satlantis. So going back to the Google update, I scroll down to the Share button and click here to copy the link. I then go back to Satlantis and paste that link here. Now, this part is optional, but if you were referred by someone already on Satlantis, you will paste their Nostr public key, or NPub, here, so we can keep track of who referred you and reward them accordingly. Since I'm the one doing this for Divine Design, I'll paste my own NPub here and click Next. Give it a moment, and it says we have received your claim request. So now, if I refresh the page, the Claim button is now an Edit button. I can click on it and edit the company's bio, which I'll paste here now, add a website URL, which I'll also paste here, change any of the hours of operation, and add a phone number, which I'll paste here, and add an email address, which I'll paste here as well. When I'm done, I click Save. It looks like the info I just saved hasn't updated yet, so I need to refresh the page. And there it is. And that's how you can claim your business's account on Satlantis, so you can make your business known to travelers and nomads around the world.